Actually guys, medyo maaga na lang ako alis dito pala. Kasi anong oras na ba? 3:05?
Wala, sira na yung ring light. Guys, sira na yung nabigay nyo.
Hindi, pwede pa yan ikabit sa likod. Natatanggal yan eh.
Hindi nga, sira na nga. Tika mo, wala na yung sabitan.
I-superglue na lang natin para hindi natutupiin.
Ang hirap na ito. Wala na akong hini. Wala na. Malungkot na ako.
You never know, but you love me first.
Hindi na nga siya nadidikit, guys. Kasi tignan mo.
Ala, may pamunas na tayo ng... Pawis. Thank you po, may pamunas na ako ng pawis. Salamat guys.
Pawis.
Pawis. Kasi pawisin ako eh kapag syempre, gym, ganyan.
Thank you, man.
Salamat po. To this night. Don't worry about what you look like now.
Gym ba talaga?
Pag tumatakbo, ito naman. Ang sarap ng strawberry.
Taas?
Ang sarap ng strawberry.
Alam nyo guys,
Ang galing na ng flavor kanina.
Yung Lux Kid.
Ang sarap ng strawberry. Hindi ako makapag-focus sa binibenta ko kanina. Sabi ko, ang sarap ng strawberry.
Gusto niya matikman yung strawberry. Alam nyo, hanggat di niya titikman yung strawberry, hindi niya titigilan talaga na manghingi ng strawberry.
Tapos nakaka-bad trip kasi ayaw niya talagang, alam mo yung inom niya, kung nakita niyo lang kanina yung inom niya, sabi niya. Tapos, airport. Ang ingit talaga siya, be.
Hindi, pero masarap diba yung strawberry?
Oh, masarap na yung strawberry.
The best yun. Yung guys, alam nyo, yung strawberry, yung Lux Kid na strawberry. Pang kid siya, pero masarap, pang matanda pwede rin.
Oo.
First time namin natikman yung strawberry.
Sarap yung strawberry.
Masarap pala.
Hey, Ellison. Ang ganda nito ni Madison Beer.
Maganda talaga yan. Madison na yan eh.
Si Madison Beer. Para siyang kamukha ni ni Liza, na kamukha ni Megan Fox.
Na
kamukha mo.
Gayok.
Kasi dinadagdagan mo pa yun nga lang eh.
Be, yung skin yan pang Latina.
Sige, be. Madison Beer na yun.
Morena skin yan eh. Morena skin yan.
Medyo maganda kapag medyo nagagandaan ka ba kapag medyo moreno yung skin?
Oo, yun yung ko. Basta yung skin niya, brown. Mas nakakaano yun eh. Mas nakaka-attract pag brown yung skin. Hindi ako maano sa white skin, guys. Though maganda rin naman yung white, nakakaano siya. Pero pag mga talagang mga brown skin, kayo manggi, yung mga ganyan.
Ganyan. Sorry sa mabra.
Pero alam mo ba, ang type ko talaga is kayo manggi.
Kayo manggi.
Kulay mismo ng Pilipino or Latina, ganyan.
Hindi kanina ko pa nilalaro tong ano kasi umaano yung brightness.
Alam nyo guys, dati, ito kwento ko sa'yo. Dati, sabi ko hindi ako, sabi ko, kung magkaka ano man ako, gusto ko foreigner. Dati.
Foreigner.
Para joke daddy. Joke lang. Wisip may balahibo pa ni Louie.
Actually, 3:12 na. Matulog na tayong maaga. Tulog tayong maaga. Masyado ng late.
Tulog naman.
Tulog ng maaga kasi ano oras na eh. Ay, Duday, thank you po sa flowers. Hi, John Dale.
Hi, John Dale.
Trip niyo ako.
William. Ba't tahimik ka?
Hindi, nagbabasa lang ako ng mga comments.
Babasa ka? Camera, action.
Thank you, looking at my feet.
Hi, Clea. Thank you po. Hindi ako ba't nakaasar?
Shit, when you what's in my hand, going to the it's like that. Put it out there, like that. Oh, and walk because it's put it in my mind. And walk because it's put it in my mind. Like grandma action, baby, I'll feed you. Looking at my feet. I don't give a become a girl. This bitch that I'm with, this fuck I can't put puro pussy from up anywhere. This funny and I was talking money, but I was saying that I think I'm up, I think I'm up, oh, we see good, and I know it. Oh, he's doing it when I go, got my hand down on it. Get to my neck, I'll be doing it. It's a dog, I'm a dog. You got fuck back, what you call dog? Putting in my mind. Putting in my mind. Like grandma action, baby, I'll feed you. Looking at my feet. Now, the thing about the feet. Oh my god.
Gusto ko yung Isaiah Monster. Yung biglang nag-switch sa Isaiah Monster. Ngumiti na siya. Oh.
Tulog ka na.
Natutulog na ako. Shoutout mo muna lahat ng team. Natutulog na ako. Shoutout mo muna lahat ng team.
Nasaan na yung log ko? Tanggalin mo yung kamay mo dyan sa bibig mo.
to another life. It's a breaking up another time. You're not the only you give me love, and that's no matter the
Sarap mo na.
Monday, Tuesday,
Tagal ba, di?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Isa mo na.
every hour, every minute, every second, no matter the night. I've been fucking you by 7 days a week. You love me no champagne.
Ay, kay Marlo, kay Clarice, kay Alvin, kay Joe Edit, kay Defender Lady, Alberis, Banji, Merdo Edit, Cherokee, it's Median, Zizi, Marijo, Cha, Ate Mayo, Paraos, Brixie Warriors, Bertinas, Benz, Team Editor, Team Brixian Official, Flirt, Nick Clover, Team White, Team Search of W, Dynamic.
Oo, lahat ng team na intindihan. Ang bilis. Mag-aalan mo. Yung naririnig nila yung team nila.
Anong araw pa ngayon? Sunday.
Sunday nga.
Team OFW, Team Dynamic, Team Chismoso, Brixian Nurses, Alvaro, Team Tutoy, Team Loki, Fam, Team Silent Viewers, Team Ante, TV Lab Team, Solid Bricks, Alan V, Team Haruro, Team Sip, Team Editor, Team OA, Look on the Baby, Spots, Angels, Montes Editor, Brixie Siblings, Joms X07, Nicoverse, MJ Cabrera, Editors, Sami, K. Briones, Timoyoko, Editor Carl James, Honey Lizing, Sabi Haven, Kimia, Editor Kiruitan, Carl Introvert, Director Atobi, Asmer Edits, Spin Padme, Abiberna, Tropa Premium L, Magandang Kasambahay, Joy Prim, CJ Laughter, Fiction Dependent. Mika, Brian Mendoza, Darila, Britney, on IG, Daryl, Lizelle, Team Beltap, Adobo Warriors, Iris LR, Team Suyuan, Team Raolo, Team Ayobo Babies, Team Negros, Team Rayo Loyals, Team Kinintirihis, John Dale Rafus, Tony G. Brian, Chabi, Sanji, Ashiring Stroy, Babies, Team Ayobocado, Team Abocado, Team Babies, Viction Live, Play Clea, Team Restricted, Team Jackpot, Team Nicolas, Team Nicolojans, Team YML, Team Mixel, Team Sai, Team Toxic Pat, Team Brixian, Giri Brixian, Team Solid Brixian, Team Christian Stan, Brixian Natix, Team Loki, Brixie Siblings, Team Chubby Chicks, Brixian Nongkong Era, Team Brixian, Brixie Siblings, Brixian Beast, Team Search, Brixian Babies, Team Adobo, Team Dilaw, Team Bumbaya, Team OFW, Team Aliaw, Team Adobo Warriors, Team Kazo, Team Tap Tap, Team Lapok, Team Pearly Shells, Team Benjan, Team Benis, Team Ben Connects, Team Ben Paris Version, Siblings, Team Solid, Team Quadro, Team Private Property, Team Anemic, Team Replay, Team Pinkish, Team Agaray, Team Hyper, Team Laglag, Team Tap Tap, Team Ayobo, Team Amo, Team Bricks, Team Bopis, Tropa ni Bricks, Team Hyper, Team Bahay, Team Talibugan, Team Ben Minded, Team Chinese Siblings, Team Quadro, Team LDR, Team V, Team BC, Team C, Market, Chime, Shippers Unite, Eloise, Peperos, Sir Jaylat, Zeyo, Jessa, Viction, B, Honey, Jen, Storage Pro, JD, DB, Desi, Gabriel Peren, Sky, Jomela, Jela, Engineer Dale, Christopher, Viction, Replay, Yuki, Chow, Shafos, Gian, Sabi, Master Nate, Raymart, Viviana, Brian, Christy, Mam Chabi, Justin, Aiko, Ellison, Cherry, Loki, Pam, Gabrionis, Mai, Yobi, Berna, Team Liana, Micaela, Kristen, Joy, Earl, Jong, Levi, Ace, Rachel, Mitch, Riza, Team Jen Chan, Ben Chan, Jenrix, Jen Chan, Tropa ni Bricks, Nina Bricks, Brixian by Bear, Iris LR, Itik ni Bricks, Team Panatag, Team Toys, Brixstan, Monomor Yuki, Bianca Montes, Yuki, Silent Editor, Honey Bea, Adi, Yobi, Asmer Ed, Sunny Pai, Arvin Ladlad, DJ, Alex, DJ, Bricks and someone, Cyrene. Thank you po.
Hi guys, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Uy.
Bakit?
Tony G, mayo mo ko.